Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Today I am back in June Lake in Spring Hill, Tennessee, and I'm gonna show you guys this house right here that was built by Signature Homes. This is called the Breton Floorplan, and I am really excited to show this to you guys. As you can see, it is absolutely stunning. So come on, let's start the tour. All right, there she is. This is the Breton Floorplan by Signature Homes, like I said earlier. And this one here has a pretty simple design as far as the front of the house. There's just a small little covered front porch right there, nothing huge. Not like the other model home. This is the first model home. I did a tour of that the other day, so check out that video. That's got a larger wraparound front porch. This particular home is 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and 3,220 square feet. Right there, okay. All right, so you step into the house, right here to the left. So guys, bear with me and be patient because my goal is to show you guys all the little ins and outs of this home so you really know if it's a fit for you. So there's a little coat closet right there. All right, and as you can see, the stairs are right here to the left. Look what they did with the stairs. Do you guys notice anything? Anything that you don't normally see on stairs? These are floating. See how you can see right through them? Isn't that awesome? So typically, I don't like when you walk into a staircase in the front door because, I don't know, a lot of times they're not really pretty and it's like, I don't want that in my way. This particular staircase is beautiful though. And I love how they have all those windows up along the side of it and the ceilings are so tall. And I am dying to point the camera up to show you guys the chandelier, but I'm gonna hold off and show that to you in a couple minutes. So, okay. Then you've got, it widens out a little bit, right, when you get past the stairs. And they've kind of just made it like, they put some furniture here. You would have to figure out what to do. I think I like what they did here. I would probably put like a little desk like they have and dress it up and then just have it a spot to sit and like work on bills and stuff like that. And then of course you just have a piece here for the entryway and look at the lights. Isn't that awesome? So on this home, the primary bedroom is downstairs and it is in the front of the home. Let me just spin around and show you the front entry right here. So this right here is the primary bedroom. And you walk in and just like all Signature Homes, it is beautiful. I love the accent wall behind the bed. There's a tray ceiling, of course, an awesome light. And the room is a little bigger than it looks because that wall in the entryway was in the way. It does cut back right there. This is not a huge primary bedroom though, but I will say I have had huge primary bedrooms and I don't know, sometimes they're kind of a waste. I mean, look at these lights. I should have turned these on. Is that the switch? Wow, that is awesome. I like it. Lighting. If you're buying a home and about to start picking all the upgrades and options, just spend a ton of money on lighting because it makes a huge difference. So like I was saying, a huge primary bedroom can be a waste. You don't spend a lot of time in here, you sleep, and that's about it, and get ready. So you come in here, look at the floor. I love that. It's kind of hard to get the color right in the camera, but it's really nice. So you've got this beautiful double vanity right here to the left. Oh my gosh, check out those lights. Isn't that awesome? I love how they're hanging from the ceiling like that. They always do stuff in their model homes that's new to me. I love that. I want those lights. So really nice counter space and cabinet space. And then behind me right here is the shower. And this one here has the frameless shower door. They've got the subway tile, but it's laid vertically. And then if you look up above, they've got the rain shower head. So I said it in the tour of the other model home, but Signature Homes has so many different upgrades and options. Here's the toilet room right here, water closet, whatever you guys call it. Let me back up. So that's what we've seen so far. The bathroom's not huge either, but I think to fit 4 bedrooms in this house and have enough room in the living area, they had to cut down some space. but it certainly doesn't feel cramped. There's a nice closet right here for towels and linens and just all that stuff. And then you've got your closet right here. So to the left, there's a little area to hang. Then right in front of you, that's kind of like a longer section, so that would fit dresses. And then over around the corner, you've got these built-ins right here with drawers and more places to hang. Hey y'all, I just wanted to take a quick second to remind you that I am in fact a real estate agent here in the Middle Tennessee area. So if you're thinking about moving here and building a home or buying an existing home, I certainly would love to jump on a call with you and just see if we would be a good fit to work together. So I'll leave a link to my calendar in the description below. Feel free to click on that and book a call, and hopefully I hear from you soon. All right, let's get back to the tour. All right, then you move into the living room area, and I mean, geez, they do such an awesome job. What they do in these houses is they leave the ceiling open like this. So you take a house that might feel kind of small and not very special, and it feels grand. It feels really open. You don't feel claustrophobic. That's kind of a weird way to say it. I don't think anyone would ever feel claustrophobic in a house, but it is, I love the fireplace. Beautiful fireplace. They've got that same color that I love. My office is a similar color. Mine is called iron ore. I don't know what color this is, but it's one of my favorite colors. And they've got that detailed trim work on the fireplace, once again going all the way to the ceiling. They put windows up there so there's plenty of light. I love these bookcases. Great job, Signature Homes. So then behind me, you can go outside and there's a little covered patio right there. We'll go out there before I show you the kitchen really quick. So you step out. Once again, they did the epoxy on the concrete, which is such a nice touch. This is a smaller covered patio. You can tell, see the furniture they put? So the first model home that I toured, they had a full table and chairs, and it was like, it was really big. This is just not as big. I mean, I don't know how much space is right here, maybe 5 or 6 feet. But check out this little side yard. So that's one thing. I was under the impression these didn't have yards at all. But then I came and saw this one, and I'm like, okay, these little side yards aren't bad. Especially if you're someone that has a small dog. This is really cool. I love how they did that along the side of the house too. Nice feature. So, all right, coming back in. Let me do this. Let me just give you guys a better view of this really quick so you can see what that's like. See? It's just enough to come out here and sit under the rain and relax. And then you walk into this. And now the star of the show, the kitchen. Check this out. I mean, it's beautiful. Okay, so I'm gonna start getting a little excited about this kitchen, but I just love so much about it. So first of all, check out these lights. Such a great design, right? I love them. Second of all, look at these cabinets, this like green color. Green is one of my favorite colors right now. And I love this shade of green. I don't know what you call it. Look, I leave that stuff up to the professional designers and stagers, but I think it's a nice color. I really love it. I love how they've got this kind of like stack of cabinets right here. It's a really like well thought out design. And talk about cool, the oven hood being that like natural wood color. That is so nice. And I believe that's gonna match the island cabinets. Yeah, it does. I mean, I just love it. It stands out really nice. They ran the tile all the way up to the ceiling around the hood, which I love. I hate when it stops kind of halfway. They've got the glass doors on those uppers right there. So nice. All right, so let's talk about the appliances. Look at this. I love it. Didn't know this was back. I said that in my last video, but I love the white finish appliances, and these feel so nice. Wow, I love them. You've got your oven and range right here. Then you've got a second oven right here. Yeah, these feel like really nice quality. Then you've got your microwave, little section for like, I don't know, coffee bar type area. Let me turn around and show you this view. So look at this whole living area right here. It's not big. Like that's one thing, let me go back to the living room. This is not a big area, but dang, if you were like a couple or a family with maybe 2 kids or something, there's plenty of space upstairs for the kids. So this is really cozy. And look at the windows. And then over here, there's even a little dining room. How awesome. And of course, they've got a really cool light right there. They've got beams in the ceiling with a real natural wood finish. I'm guessing it's a little cramped on the other side. Yeah, that'll be a little cramped. So I would probably want to pull the table out a little bit or maybe do a bench, but not everything is perfect. So, I mean, that would be a con to this house. It's only 3,220 square feet. So for some of you, it might feel a little too small for you ballers. Now this is the pantry. I mean, look at this. Man, they spent some big money on this. Wow, that just moves. It feels like high quality. Ball bearings. Wow, that's nice. This is really nice. So overall kitchen is an A++ for me. All right, so over here, you're gonna have the laundry room, which is really nice location. It's just off the kitchen. They do have a little counter space right there, and they've got upper cabinets there. This would be where your washer and dryer goes. They've just got some stuff there since they're using it as an office. Then you've got a half bathroom right here. And once again, look at the wallpaper. How cool is that? Look at these 2 birds. Can you guys see that? It's kind of hard to see. Really nice. It feels special. I love the sink right here. The drawers, the mirror is nice. Yeah. Just overall, really nice feel. So this leads you to the garage. They're using this as an office. I'll show that to you later. So moving on. Here we go. Here we go. Let's go upstairs. Remember I told you about that chandelier over the foyer? Look at this. I mean, is that not one of the coolest lights you have ever seen? What in the world? Tell me how much you think that costs in the comments below. I'd like to hear what you guys think. So there's your view down the stairs. Like I said, just a really, feels nice. So you get up here and there's like, you can go straight. This is open right here, which is really nice. And then you can go back that way, which takes you to a bedroom. So let's go this way. They've got a cool little desk set up right there. I mean, you're right here looking at those lights. Couple of steps coming up. And this is a pretty large bedroom. And this is the front of the home right here. So this would be really over the primary, I'm guessing. But yeah, look at nice tall ceilings. Lots of windows. Nice, right? And then here behind me, you've got a walk-in closet, which is actually really big. It's about as big as the primary. And then this particular bedroom has its own bathroom. You just come this way and it's got its own full bathroom right here. Really nice frameless shower door. I love the tile up to the ceiling. What a cool looking tile. It really blends well with the gold finish. Shower head and handle, and look at the floor, really nice. Yeah, feels just like good quality. I love all the windows. That's awesome. And look, it's got that green color that I love so much. Aha, even the doors are green. All right, so let's keep going. This is so cool up here, isn't it? Just look at how like I love all the different like walkways and all the railings and how it's open. And the ceilings are still tall up here. Holy moly. This is a good idea. I would do that. Remember I was telling you I like little areas to work? This would be a cool spot to hang. Sit here, you can look down, you can see the family down there. Wow. So then you come down this walkway and they've got this just wall of windows. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's one up above it. Another 4 windows and then another 3. You come down this walkway and you get to this upstairs loft area, which is so cool. What a cool area. I love it. I love what they've done with the couch right there. I would do the exact same thing. Really cool light. Come over to this side. I mean, the space up here is perfect. Cool little spot to watch some TV. Have a little like high top table right here where you and your friends can hang out, make some drinks. See how much the lights stand out? Do you guys see those? So you've got that light, the light there, those lights. It's like you see those lights. They're just such a nice feature. Okay, and then you cut down here and you're gonna have a bedroom right here, which is actually a really good sized bedroom. Nice tall ceilings. Check out that wallpaper. And then across the hall from it, you've got a full bathroom with 2 sinks. More really nice wallpaper. Look at those tiles. Man, I love that like green tone with the natural wood finish. Like I love that whole look. And this is the very back of the home over the garage. This is gonna be another bedroom. All right, y'all, I hope you enjoyed that tour as much as I did. As you can tell from my reaction, I absolutely love this home. If you think you might be interested in building a home with Signature Homes here in June Lake or one of their other communities, I'm gonna leave a link down in the description below. That link will lead you to my calendar, and from there you can pick a day and time to book a call with me, and we can just jump on a call and discuss what you're thinking about doing and try to find a good option for you. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.